John Donne, the poet of 17th century. He was born in London in Roman Catholic family. Love and divine poems. First poem is Good Marrow. In Good Marrow, the poet says that before love, I and my beloved, we both were like seven sleepers den. Mean we were in deep slumber. We were unaware about the pleasures of real life. Now, good marrow, good morning to our waking soul. We have found each other and we are in love. Now, next poem is Sun Rising. In Sun Rising, the poet rebukes the sun because he put his rays on lover and his beloved and more. He said, busy old fool, unruly sun, you don't know that we don't follow the time. Years, months, days. We are superior, we are prince. Okay. Next poem, Go and Catch a Falling Star. The poet says that you can catch a falling star, but you can't find a woman who is beautiful and loyal at the same time. Ecstasy. In this poem, the poet says that love is not only the love of bodies, that is also a spiritual matter. So when two bodies love each other, actually they come into a state of ecstasy. Forbidding weeping. The poet is going abroad. He said to his wife, if you will weep, I too weep. And when I will weep, in my eye there would be tear. And in this tear, your figure, your face will be over there. And when I'll fall my tear, then you will also fall with it. So don't weep. In forbidding mourning, the poet says, I'm going out. We are two, but we two are like pair of compasses. He make a beautiful comparison of lover and beloved with the compass. He says that we, lover and beloved, are like the two legs of compass. At the top we are joined and legs are apart. And man, lover, is a traveler. I will go out in other country and you will stay at home and wait for me. But our heads, our tops are joined. So that is a beautiful comparison which has been used. Mathematical device has been used instead of using conventional roses like this. So there is also Twickenham Garden. That is also a poem about the dismayed situation of the poet in a garden. Poet has also written some holy sonnets. Thou hast made me batter my heart, like this. The hallmark of the poet is that love poetry. In this love poetry, he is different from the other poets of his time. Other poets who were writing in the style of patronymic. Hello, here, I'm here. Patronymic was an Italian poet, and his style was that in his poetry there is worship of beloved. Every lover is giving respect. He is worshipping the beloved. Beloved is like a demigoddess. So he became rebel and he broke all conventions and he wrote in his own style, and his style is called metaphysical style. What is metaphysical style? In metaphysical style, the poet used to use conceit. What is conceit? Conceit is a comparison. Fanciful comparison, shocking, witty. Lover and beloved, they are like the pair of compasses. So when you are going to study John Donne, you keep in your mind something. You have to watch the surprises. You have to enjoy the shocking starts. You have to see the conceits as a metaphysical poet, and you have to watch some newness of love, newness of the moods, and in the